This past week, I represented Pharo Cattle Company at another ag conference, setting up a booth to visit with folks about our genetics and Kit Pharo's herd quitter philosophies. Kit explains it as a paradigm shift, a different way of thinking about beef production. He promotes ideas like this: graze more and feed less, letting your cows work for you instead of you working for them. Think in terms of pounds per acre rather than pounds per cow. Use grazing techniques that increase grass production and build soil health. Choose genetics for low maintenance, grass efficiency, calving-ease, fertility, and longevity. These profit-conscious philosophies may seem like a no-brainer, yet many experienced cowmen are hesitant to change. Maybe change feels like too much work. Maybe they're worried about what the neighbors will think. Maybe there are generational pressures holding them back. There is a bright spot, however. The younger generation is looking for a better way. They get excited about healthier food from healthier soil. They see increased profits with lower costs and direct marketing. They are convinced that there's a place for them in production ag, and they're willing to work for it. I'm usually asked by conference organizers if I made any sales. I've come to realize that renting a booth space at their event is not about selling bulls. It's about sharing the opportunities that are available to those who have the courage to change. Is it time for a paradigm shift in the beef business? Yes, and there are a lot of herd quitters that are excited and ready to roll. I hope you're one of them. I'll see you next time on the Herd Quitter Minute.